Hello, this is Travis. This is my OER repository exploration. I chose openoregon.org. We have some links along here about calendar resources. I'm primarily concerned with the resources at this point. So here is the resource page for music. I've kind of preloaded this. One thing that I thought was kind of cool about this is for each of the resources that's listed here, it's then shows what community college, so at Portland, Lynn Benton, and Umpqua Community College, and then it shows the courses that these resources are being used for. So you can kind of cross-reference that to a course you're teaching. So here, this openmusictheory.com is being used at PCC in 111. So if we go and take a look at what that is, that's their Music Theory 1 sequence, their first year theory. And so this resource they're actually using for the entire fundamentals and their first year of a theory study. So we can kind of get a sense of the breadth of the resource itself and how other institutions are using it. I thought I'd explore a little bit of this. This is a kind of a cool like textbook website. So here we have open music theory contents about all these things. But there's a couple things that I thought were kind of cool. So we come into this table of contents, and we see all these different elements and modules that you'd be looking in the fundamentals class. So if I click on this one to meter, it's really interactive. So it provides us with good, solid exploration, like in a textbook fashion. But then, like moving past the limitations of a textbook, you have these little videos, and inside the videos, they're actually referencing media clips that are embedded. So if you listen to this here, it's going to be talking about.
Go to Open Music Theory to the page on meter, and go ahead and listen to the first example, which is a Spotify link for the song "Come Out Clean" by Jump Little Children. Just listen to the first 20 or 30 seconds or so. You can pause the video while you listen.
So then you kind of go, so it's kind of really interactive. You can go and hit this on Spotify. You can head back to the lecture and click on this, and then he'll discuss that. And so you could rewind and come back and kind of go back and forth, and really moving past the limitations of the paper and the textbook models. Another thing I thought was really cool about this is some of the musical examples using everything from if they're looking at compound duple meter, everything from Radiohead, and also exploring the same meter with Mozart. So I just thought that was a cool kind of juxtaposition of styles, and would greatly keep the students' interest.